Smoking the We Are trash pack. But don't worry, guys. Calafiori is fun to watch. Stinker and hooked at half time. Don't worry, though, guys. Don't worry, though, guys. Because Nuno Espirito Santo, nah, he's not very good, is he? Not very good, guys. Not very good. It's only Nottingham Forest. Yeah, this fan base are the biggest single problem at this football club, and they have been for years. Since after this lot. We have been infested beyond belief. It's like a cucaracha. Cockroaches running around, scurrying around. That's our fans online trying to get a fucking media pass or a red carpet. Oh, look at me. Oh, I'm live at 10:05. Of course you are. Oh, I got invited to Arsenal. Of course you did, mate, because you don't stop tweeting sickly, toxic, positive crap. Start saying it as it is about this football club. I have had it up to here. Look at my forehead. Look at the size of my forehead. The camera's doing it worse than it actually is. I can't lie. But look at the size of my forehead. It's bigger than my iPhone screen. I've got an iPhone 13 Pro. Look at the size of this. Look, my forehead is bigger. You man, now get out of here, man. I am sick to death of this crap. I don't want to hear it anymore. Our manager sitting in a press conference today. Yesterday, sorry. Giving it, yes, well, guys. Benny Blanco. Yeah, good one, mate. Benny Blanco and that. Yeah. We've not had that right unit, guys. The right unit. We haven't had that combination, guys, with Martin and with Bakayo and Ben in that right unit. Didn't we have that for the first 3 months? He's a liar. This guy's trying to make out he's working miracles. We'd be in mid-table without him. This guy's a scumbag. Bless up to everyone who's watched the watch-along. We have 4 fan cams. Emergency meeting's going to slap. I'm drained, man. I'm drained. Make sure you sub to Lee Reacts as well. I love the link in the title. I always forget to put it in the title, but I'm not forgetting tonight. Make sure you sub to that channel. That channel's nearly on 40k. Now, get that up to 100 odd K and I can bin this off. Yeah, because I'm bored. I'm genuinely bored of this club. This is not the club I started supporting. Look at the state of that performance tonight. Then you've got Nuno pitch side. Martin Keown mudded live and direct in 8K on live TV. Nuno Espirito Santo. Oh, I wanted him at Arsenal. Oh, when Nuno left. I was told he's rubbish. Well, he's mudded your manager how many times? Oh, he had your manager bottom of the table while he was top. Okay, cool. First time in football history Spurs have been top when we're bottom, ever, in English football. He then left. Got sacked. Went to Saudi. Won 2 titles in a row. Up against Al Hilal, the Real Madrid of Saudi. He then got sacked. But look what he's done for the club. There's none of that crap in Saudi, mate. There's none of that crap in any leagues, really, apart from England, the Unicorn League. Yeah, the Rainbow League. Yeah, that's the only league that does all this PR crap. He then comes back, saves them from relegation, and now he's literally 6 points behind us. What phase is he in? What phase is on a slot in? Nuno mudded. Nuno mudded your manager. Live and direct. He mudded Keown as well. Keown had no words. Well, I'd normally play a 5 in some of these games, but Arsenal don't have a striker, so I didn't need to play 5 at the back. We just needed to block out the midfield. And look what happened. Where's our captain? Didn't see any hair flicks tonight, did you? No hair flicks? None of this? None of this? Nah? Declan Rice, stinker. Odegaard, biblical stinker. Ethan, stinker. Saliba, stinker. Timber, stinker. Gabriel, stinker. The Sweet Prince with his long mane of hair. Oh, it's fun to watch. It's fun to watch. It's fun to watch. You got hooked at half time. You got booked in the first minute. You got cooked by Hudson and Doy. Maybe Matisse was onto something, the 1v1 demon. Well, he 1v1'd him up real quickly. He chefed him real quick. He's nearly got as many Michelin stars as I have, bruv. What are we doing it? Absolutely pathetic. Yeah, Trossard. Nah, Bruv, you're either Arteta out, yeah, or you're just shit. And I don't believe you're shit. So hopefully you're Arteta out. And I said this last week, or at the weekend, sorry, after the West Ham game. Any of you guys that do stumble across this video, and we know that you guys watch everything, maybe not everything, but you watch a lot of the stuff on YouTube. It's natural, isn't it? You want to see the highlights, you want to see, and then, okay, cool. And then it'll come up next, League Gunner, up next AFTV, up next Curtis, up next Northside, whatever and whatever. Yeah. Any of you, man, that watch this, yeah, either down tools and get that bastard out of our club, because I know you're not happy. Yeah. The Mikel Merino, experiment has failed. Mikel Merino. Why is he here? I'll tell you why he's here. He's here to model merch. Same with Calafiori. They fancy him. His fan base fancy him. Odegaard, I refuse to believe, is as crap as he's showing. However, the 15 goals he scored that season when we bottled the title, yes, we did bottle the title. The 15 goals, that was an anomaly. That's a one-off. That's a Fugazi. He's never doing that again in his life. But I refuse to believe he's this crap. These players are being restricted massively. Massively. They're not as bad as they're looking right now. I don't want to hear about excuses about injuries and this and that. They're injuries. They're red cards. This manager, this scumbag sitting in a press conference, giving it about, oh, it's unprecedented, guys. It's never happened in football history, guys. All the injuries and the red cards, 5 red cards, guys. Really? Learn the history of the club you fucking played for, you prat. Yeah, because the Invincibles, proper players, proper footballers, they had 5 red cards that season, mate. 01-02, didn't we win the league at OT? Oh, we did. Take Lehman out of that, and them 3 never played. Oh, why? Because they were fucking injured. And how many red cards do we have to? Oh, we had 6 red cards that season. Cool. Now let's go back to last season. Liverpool were in a title race, leading it as well, by the way. Up until about April, they had 5 red cards by October or November. I think it was late October. 5 red cards. Only 5 of their whole entire squad didn't get injured at all last season. Mohamed Salah came back from the AFCON. He was injured. He was out for 7 weeks. Alisson was out injured. Alisson's been out injured this season, by the way. And they still won a trophy. Oh, with the kids, and they knocked us out. Okay, cool. They knocked us out. Okay, cool. They knocked us out of the cup. Excuse. You want alibi. Every week I say the same thing. It's boring. I'm bored. Either these players need to down tools, yeah, or this fan base needs to get a backbone. Well, the fan base ain't going to get a backbone because there's too many people on a jolly up. Just happy to be there. Oh, it's the best Arsenal I've ever seen. Shut up. I've seen 5 league titles, mate. 9 FA Cups. I've seen a cup double. I've seen 2 league cups. Yeah, I've seen a cup winners' cup. I've seen Invincibles. I've seen us win at Old Trafford, a title. I've seen us win at White Hart Lane. I've seen us lose about 9 finals as well, by the way. Not that I'm gassing that up. However, I've seen us go on a 9-year trophy drought. We're currently on a 5-year trophy drought. And I've still seen 17 fucking trophies. Why should I drop my standards? Why? Why should I drop my standards? Because you losers think this is the best Arsenal. Learn the history of our great once great club. How about that? Learn the history of this club. Yeah, you idiots have buried my football club, and I'm fucking sick of it. Now to the point where the manager is getting asked in a press conference, well, yeah, Mikel, you haven't won a title for 5 years since you've been here. You're not worried about that. And he was like getting all agitated. Yeah, goes back at the journalist, and the journalist goes, well, some fans think that because Arteta said, well, it's a first you win and the rest is a disaster if you don't. And the reporter went back at him. I don't know which reporter is. Big up to him. Said, well, yeah, some fans do feel like that. Win or you've lost. Yeah, and he went, but there's a large percentage of our fans that don't think like that. He knows. And I'll tell you why he knows. Because this club are watching this fan cam. They're watching everything I do. They're watching everything all the other content creators for Arsenal do. They're watching everything on Twitter. They're watching everything on Facebook, LinkedIn, Insta, and all the other social apps. They're watching everything. Then they go into a press conference. They've got all the fucking puppets in their back pocket. Yeah, because they're just happy to keep their employment and getting, oh, look at me. I'm having tea and biscuits with Mikel. Piss off. Yeah, you're a bunch of frauds, the lot of you. Right? Not only that, you've got a bunch of idiots sitting on the internet. Yeah, chatting absolute rubbish so you can get a little gig at the club. Oh, look at me. I made my debut on Sky Sports. Nobody cares, Pratt. Yeah, nobody cares. Oh, look at me. Yeah, 1-0 lost at the weekend. Yeah, lost to West Ham. Yeah, and you got some fans that got invited to the club in VIP, and they're all standing there smiling and happy because they've managed to get an invite to the VIP lounge at Arsenal. Why? Because they tweet crap every day. Start saying as it fucking is. I'm fucking bored of this crap. How many more years do we have to go with this? 21 years ago, this was. 21 years. 33 years without a trophy in Europe. 32 without a League Cup. And 5 without an FA Cup. And look how happy everyone is. 5 years into Wenger's 9 years trophy drought, people are beating each other up in the ground. Wenger in, Wenger out. Look how happy everyone is. But I'm the enemy of Arsenal. Now, mate, I've seen a 9-year trophy drought, 5-year trophy drought. It's 14 years. I started supporting in 87. 87. Yeah? 87. Get out of here, man. Raise the standards. Any of you that are watching this, yeah, that feel like you don't have a voice, just say what you got to say. It's words on the screen. These idiots ain't going to do shit. The more people that voice their opinions, the better. Yeah? Real talk. On that bombshell, I'm out. Kenny, Jez, Matty next, and then after that emergency meeting. I'm sick to death of this. And we got facts on facts. And I swear down, yeah, I said this the other day and saying it since West Ham. We'll be lucky to win 4 games this season from now to the end of it. I don't want to hear about Saka out injured. Yeah, I don't want to hear about any of this crap. Yeah, we're going to dissect that on the emergency meeting. Cronky out.